I just want to say thank you guys so much for the class. I have two little boys, as you know, and at times I can get a bit overwhelmed and both lose my cool and not really know how to help them learn from the situations that we're going through together. And I feel like now I have a kind of a toolbox of ways to talk to them, ways to show them how to improve our communications while I'm doing the same, and at the same time really respect and kind of learn from their cues. So I will be using my reminder cards and pasting them around to make sure, because I definitely think this is a starting point to now start practicing all those skills in conjunction rather than skill by skill every week. So it's been great, and looking forward to seeing how well we do in the next coming months.